All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill. This is a 4-piece and it's all open face, as you can see. So you got the rim or border around each tooth. This is 10K gold, guys. 10K solid gold. Here's the back side. You got your stamp right there. 10K real gold. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. It's quality handmade work, made by hand with real gold. You can get yours for the top, bottom, or a set at blingcartel.com. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.